Alright, let's talk about Styleria.in. Is it a hidden gem or is it out to scam online shoppers in 2026? If you're thinking of hitting buy now, you'll want to hear this first. First up, let's look at the basics. Styleria.in has a slick website, lots of trendy pictures, and professional looking policies. But here's the thing, that's exactly what scam sites want you to see. Red flag number one, their contact info. All they give is a single email. No verified address, no phone number. Legit stores? They want you to reach out. Scammers? Not so much. Next, social media. In 2026, every real brand is working their socials hard. But Styleria.in? Either totally absent or their accounts look like ghost towns. Maybe a handful of followers, barely any posts. That's a big warning sign. Let's talk about their product photos. Some are clearly stock images or copied straight from other sites, sometimes even ripped from Etsy or Pinterest. If you notice the same dress on 3 different websites, it's probably too good to be true. Now, about their policies. Yeah, they list returns and privacy stuff. But a lot of scam stores use those just for show. And when it comes time to actually get a refund, good luck getting a reply. Real talk from other shoppers. People complain about never getting their orders or waiting months for delivery. And when those packages do show up, the quality usually does not match the photos. Refunds? Don't hold your breath. So, how do you stay safe? Check their domain age. If the site is less than 6 months old, that's risky. Look for real reviews on places like Trustpilot. And always use protected payment methods like PayPal or a credit card with fraud protection. Bottom line, I'd say proceed with caution. If you're not willing to risk losing your money, maybe skip Styleria.in for now.